Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by assembling hardware and network basics. Pick an Arduino with Wi-Fi like ESP32 or add a Wi-Fi shield to Uno. Once parts are on hand, wire one sensor and power lines on a breadboard so you can test quickly. Next, install Arduino IDE and essential libraries for Wi-Fi and MQTT. This lets you push data to a broker. Make sure to create a test MQTT topic and credentials now so you can validate connectivity in the next step. You now implement the core logic. Connect to Wi-Fi, read sensor data, format a compact JSON payload, and publish to your MQTT topic. Use functions for each task so you can reuse code across devices. This reduces bugs. Once done, add basic error handling and retries with exponential backoff to handle intermittent networks. Make sure to test on your local broker first, then switch to a cloud broker or enable MQTT over TLS for secure remote operation. You finish by hardening the build. Transfer from breadboard to a stable protoboard or PCB. Secure power with regulators and consider battery backup, and enable OTA updates so you can patch firmware without physical access. Once deployed, connect a dashboard to monitor metrics and set alerts for anomalies. If something goes wrong, first check Wi-Fi and serial logs, confirm power levels, and verify broker authentication. These steps quickly reveal the usual connectivity and auth issues that stop data flow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.